Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will be showing you an update for the Crawlomatic plugin, because starting from today, if you are using the Visual Selector feature, this will be improved. So until now the Visual Selector was limited only to scraping content using WordPress's built-in functions for downloading web pages, but from now on the Visual Selector will be able to use also Tor, Puppeteer, PhantomJS and HeadlessBrowserAPI to get the content that you wish to visualize and to select from where should the plugin extract the scraped content. So let me show you this in action, because if I, for example, scrape my portfolio from Code Canyon from here, and I was not able to do this using the Visual Selector until now. So if I leave everything unchanged here in settings and I leave the content scraping method as WordPress, then if I use here in the content query type telling the plugin from where should it extract the content that I want to scrape to Visual Selector, it was not able to fetch the content because it failed. So it was failing because Code Canyon, the site that I scrape, is blocking access to this kind of scrapers, of WordPress scrapers. However, if I switch to, for example, PhantomJS using HeadlessBrowserAPI, then if I scroll down here and I select once again Visual Selector, then PhantomJS will be able to load the page that I want to scrape, and you can click on the link that you wish to scrape and crawl, and the plugin will be able to get its full class or ID or identifier on how it should be scraped. So this is a great update that will use the method that you select here, so you can also select the versions of browser that are installed on your server. So if I select PhantomJS installed on server, then I also can use this kind of content selector, and the plugin will switch automatically to using this method of scraping the content and visualizing it using the Visual Selector. So yeah, this is the latest update. Visual Selector got improved a ton, and let me know your feedback about this in the comments. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.